Apologies
for being an asshole to the animals
over the last
45 years of my life.
or so. Apologies for the
lack of integrity. I finally realized that me was never good for my brain. So I decided to stop eating meat, eggs, and dairy altogether.
Many of you are already aware
that vegan teacher was right all along. But I finally watched all the documentaries that vegan teacher told me to watch, and now I know she was right all along. And now I realize that I needed to be vegan, and I want you guys to be vegan too.
So, been a rough time over here.
But now we know that exploiting animals and utilizing them and forcing them to be raped and kidnapped is really evil.
Many of you are already
vegan, and I'm looking forward to getting my brain fixed so that we can all be friends again.
Been a rough time over here. And kind of been getting
less and less constipated, so that's helping a lot too. So to sum up, I'm gonna help the animals. I'm not gonna eat any pigs or chickens or cows anymore. And I'm gonna be vegan like that vegan teacher. I want you all to subscribe to her account, because she's a very nice person. I love you, Miss Katie. In all seriousness, what the animals go through is absolutely horrible. They are terrified and in pain, needlessly so. There's no right way to do the wrong thing. There's no right way to kill an animal who doesn't want to die. Thank you to everyone who is subscribing to my channel and helping me to save their lives.